The HAPPYBAG LED Lying Flat Duck Night. Light is a uniquely designed bedside lamp that combines functionality with a playful aesthetic, making it an excellent addition to nurseries, children's rooms, or even adult bedrooms. This product has gathered positive attention across the internet for its charming design, practical features, and safe materials. The lamp is shaped like a flat duck, crafted from soft food-grade silicone that is BPA-free and safe for babies and children. Its squishy and pinchable texture adds a tactile element that can serve as a decompression toy, enhancing its appeal beyond just lighting. The silicone material does not heat up during use, ensuring safety for all ages. One of the standout features of this nightlight is its rechargeable nature. It comes with a USB charging cable, eliminating the need for disposable batteries. The built-in 1200 mAh lithium-ion battery provides approximately 6 hours of continuous light on a full charge, making it highly portable and convenient for use in various settings such as bedside, camping, or emergency lighting. The lamp supports cordless use, allowing it to be placed anywhere without the restriction of power cords. The lighting itself is highly customizable with 3 levels of brightness that can be adjusted by simply tapping the duck's body. This touch control feature includes a timer option that automatically turns off the light after 30 minutes, which is especially useful for parents during nighttime feedings or for children who need a comforting light to fall asleep. The light offers both warm and cool light settings, providing a gentle glow that creates a cozy atmosphere without being harsh or disruptive to sleep. Functionally, the duck design is more than just cute. Its feet are shaped to support a mobile phone at a comfortable viewing angle, freeing hands for multitasking or relaxation. This multifunctionality adds value, making it a practical companion for bedside or desk use. The lamp's dimensions and weight are compact and light, measuring 6.6 inches in diameter, 4.1 inches in width, and 2.6 inches in height, weighing only 7.4 ounces, which makes it easy to carry or reposition. Users have praised the lamp for its adorable appearance and versatility. Many reviews highlight how the soft, squishy texture and gentle light provide comfort and a whimsical touch to rooms. Parents appreciate its safe design and the ability to use it both plugged in or wirelessly after charging. The timer feature is frequently mentioned as a convenient addition that prevents the light from staying on unnecessarily. Some users have found it perfect for preventing falls or providing enough light for nighttime breastfeeding without disturbing others. In terms of durability, the silicone material is resilient and returns to its original shape after being squeezed, which is ideal for children who might handle it roughly. However, it is important to note that while the lamp is robust, the LED light source is not replaceable. So if the lighting element fails, the entire lamp would need replacement. This is a consideration for long-term use, but given the lamp's price and quality, many find it a worthwhile investment. The lamp also serves well as a decorative piece, fitting into various room styles with its modern yet playful Art Deco style. It is suitable for use in offices, bedrooms, nurseries, and even as a party or holiday decoration. Its water-repellent quality adds a layer of protection for everyday use. Overall, the HAPPYBAG LED Lying Flat Duck Nightlight is a delightful and practical gadget that meets the needs of children and adults alike. It excels in safety, design, and functionality, making it a standout choice among nursery nightlights and portable lamps. Its rechargeable feature, adjustable brightness, and timer function enhance usability, while the soft silicone body and multifunctional design provide additional value. This lamp is highly recommended for anyone looking to add a cute, safe, and versatile light source to their home. If you own this product, sharing your experience in the comments can help others make an informed decision. The product link is provided in the description to support the channel and assist viewers in finding this charming nightlight.